Welcome guys, this is Data Slash Fun YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how to create animated race bar plot with Python. We can create this race bar chart within 5 minutes by using simple Python code. For that, please guys subscribe this YouTube channel and press the bell icon for getting latest video notifications. So let's see how to create animated race bar plot with Python. By end of this video, you will learn how to create this type of race bar chart by using simple Python code. You can see here COVID-19 cases by country and by date. The cases are going to change. You can see now the China is on the top of the numbers of COVID-19 in March. Then slowly Italy is going to increase. After that Spain, then United Kingdom, then Canada, Brazil, Australia, Pakistan. You can see the Spain is on first number now, then Italy, then China, and you can see these all the bar chart is moving accordingly these dates. So very simply you can learn how to create this type of race bar chart for your data set. So let's go to our Python Jupyter notebook. So first we need to install some important libraries. I am going to import Panda libraries as PD and import OS library for reading any file from particular address. By OS library, I just write here command oschdir, and here I have mentioned my file address where my file is saved in D drive datasets, and the file name is corona underscore dat.csv, and I just read this file by using panda pd.read underscore csv, and this object is having the all my information of that csv. So just read the first 5 rows of this file by using head command. So you can see the first 5 rows of my file is first column is date, then the country names of that corona cases, and up to the Zimbabwe and Zimbabwe. Uh, so you can see the dates are here, and the each date having the cases of that particular countries of the COVID-19. So first we select the countries which we want to the plot bar plot for that. So I just want to select some columns from that data set, because there are so many countries, so not easy to display all the countries on our bar plot. So that's what I just uh, select the particular countries. Like I first select date column, then Italy, then China, Australia, Brazil, India, United Kingdom, Pakistan, Spain, Canada, New Zealand, Russia, and Thailand. So all these column names will be contained in Coles object, Python object. So it will be help to subset our original data frame. Our original data frame is data underscore corona, and I just write this Python object col in square bracket. So in new data frame we have only these mentioned scones columns subset df, and I just set a index of column date by using this command, our data frame name subset df dot set underscore index, and give the column name which you want to index of that data frame. I just want to the index date, that's what I mention here, date. Then in place equal to true, which is the changes of this is permanent. Then I just took the cumulative sum of all the rows by axis 0, means our index is date. By date we just calculate the cumulative sums. So the command for that comes sum df is equal to subset df, our data frame name, dot comes sum, which is inbuilt function in Python, and axis equal to 0. It takes the cumulative sum of all columns. Just see the bottom 10 rows of the new data frame by this command tail 10. So you can see the cumulative sum of each countries, and the countries are same as we have mentioned in this object: Italy, China, Australia, Brazil. And you can see the cumulative sum accordingly date. So our data frame is ready. We need to just plot this data frame on our Jupyter. So next we use the library bar chart race as BCR. So this is the main library for plotting race bar chart, and this is the simple line of code for plotting the race bar chart. You can see the BCR dot bar chart replace, give the data frame name. Here our data frame name is cumsum underscore df, and file name you can give here file name if you want to save this file. Then figure size you can give any size depending on your requirement. I just have mentioned here 3.5 and 3. And title is equal to COVID-19 cases by country, and title should be in double quote. You can see now the plot is ready: COVID-19 cases by country. Here the name we have mentioned in title, and the chart is going to run. You can see now. So very easily you can do this type of plot in your Jupyter notebook and share with your seniors also. If you want to save this, then here is the option in three dots. Just click, and here is a download option, and you can just share this plot with your teammates or your friends. And here is option is picture in picture, so you can see the graph is running here. Okay, so very easily you can do this type of plot in your RStudio. If you have any challenges, then please write on this video. And if you like this video, then press like button, and please share this video with your friends.